A bullet is fired into a fixed target, loses 1/3 of its initial velocity after traveling 4 centimeters. It penetrates further d into 10 power minus 3 meters before coming to rest. The value of d is. In given question, initially a bullet is moving with a certain velocity. Here we don't know the velocity of the bullet. Let it be v. Initial velocity of the bullet v. And after penetrating into a fixed target, the velocity of the bullet reduces to 1/3. Initial velocity v and final velocity is equals to v minus v by 3. Then it becomes 2v by 3. So we know initial velocity and final velocity of the bullet. But in this gap, it travels a distance 4 centimeters. So from initial velocity to final velocity, in between these two limits, the distance travelled by the bullet is 4 centimeters. Convert into meters. 4 into 10 power minus 2 meters. This is the first case. So initial velocity v and here final velocity is 2v by 3. In this gap, the distance travelled by the bullet is 4 into 10 power minus 2 meters. After then, with this velocity, it is moving forward and finally come to rest position. So from velocity 2v by 3 to 0, the distance travelled by the bullet is d into 10 power minus 3 meters. So in second case, initial velocity is 2v by 3 and final velocity is 0. Distance travelled by the bullet is equals to d into 10 power minus 3 meters. Here we have to find out the value of d. So first find out the acceleration of the bullet by using the first case information. Take v square minus u square is equals to 2as. In place of v, 2v by 3 whole square minus u is equals to v. 2a into distance 4 into 10 power minus 2. 4v square by 9 minus v square is equals to 8a into 10 power minus 2. Here LCM is 9. 4v square minus 9v square becomes to minus 5v square by 9 is equals to 8a into 10 power minus 2. Then a is equals to minus 5v square by 9 into 8, 72 into 10 power minus 2. This is the deceleration of the bullet. And in second case, take once again equations of motion v square minus u square equals to 2as. Here final velocity 0 and initial velocity is 2v by 3 whole square. 2 into bullet is moving with the same acceleration in both the cases. So substitute a is equals to minus 5v square by 72 into 10 power minus 2. And distance d into 10 power minus 3. d into 10 power minus 3 minus 4v square by 9 is equals to minus 2 5s are 10. 10 into 10 power minus 3 becomes to 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2 v square d by 72 into 10 power minus 2. Here 10 power minus 2 get cancelled. V square cancelled. Minus also cancelled. Then d is equals to 4 into 72 by 9. 9 ones, 9 8s. 8 4s are 32. So d value is 32. The value of d is 32.